Okay, Losing My Religion is kind of a strange song in terms of structure. It moves back and forth for most of the song between two sections, which we could call an A section and a B section. Or, for the sake of making things easier, we could just call them the verse and the chorus. The song opens up on what we could call the chorus section. We're going to use the chords F, D minor, G, and A minor. Now we could just strum through the section using those chords, but if we want to play it like the song, we have to embellish them a little bit. We're going to play the F major using this shape instead of this full bar shape, because what we need to do is lift off some of these fingers to change the sound of the chord. So we're going to go, and we're going to lift off the little finger and the ring finger to make this weird sounding thing. It's only used very, very quickly, so we get just like that. Let me move very quickly to a D minor, to a G. Once it gets to the A minor, we need to add in a little ascending riff across the A string and part of the D string. We're going to go A to B to C to the open D to the E. So, and we're going to incorporate that with the A minor chord at the same time. But rhythm-wise, we're going to break it up like this. Then we get to what we can call the verse of the song. That's made up of A minor, E minor, E minor major 7, D minor, and G. Again, the chords are embellished as we go along. The A minor is going to use the little finger to put a G on the low E string in there as well. So we get. When it gets to the E minors, we do a big sweep from top to bottom. And we add in an F sharp in between some of the strums as well, just on the bottom E string. So we're going to get. So let's put this all together. It's going to repeat that 2 times. On the third repeat, it's going to change slightly once we get to the E minor section. We're going to transition from E minor to D minor by using an E minor major 7 chord in between. So we get. From there we go to a G, and that's the end of the verse loop. The bridge of the song is really easy. We're just going to strum each chord once. This is the section where he's saying, "That was just a dream," over and over again. We're going to go A minor, G, F, back to G, C, then we're going to get an A minor add 11, back to C, and then we bash away on a D sus2 before transitioning back into the verse. The last chorus of the song before we hit the outro is a slightly modified version of the normal chorus. We're going to repeat the first line 3 times around. That's the line with the ascending A minor part in it. So we go F, D minor, G, and then the ascending A minor climb. And it's going to do that 3 times around before going back to the normal line that ends the chorus. And then the outro of the song, we just have an A minor that fades away.